Dear students, I hope that you enjoyed the fourth unit, first lesson, Rendezvous with Ray, in a experiential manner. We are going to the last part of the lesson. I'll read the passage for you. Just listen it. The last time the two friends met, Ray was in hospital on his deathbed. It was a Sunday, and Robert, true to habit, arrived on the dot at 9 a.m. He had grown so weak that he looked frail as a child. I did not stay long, and I was leaving. Manikta said, Balo Laglo. Meaning is, it was nice. Those were his last words to me, said Robert. One important fallout of his friendship was the establishment of Chitrabani, a communication and film institute, the first of its kind in West Bengal. With Roberts founded in 1970 and to which Ray, as a token of friendship, lent his name as co-founder. Ray was in the first governing body and after a few terms readily agreed to be the institute's advisor. Roberts arranged most of the initial funding from Canadian agencies. I had no reservations applying for them, for I feel richer countries in the West are indebted to countries like India, he said. For 26 years, Robert was the director of Chitrabani, and under him, the institute not only produced important documentary features but also became the breeding ground for local talent for filmmaking. This is a report came in Frontline magazine on July 29th, August 11th, 2006. We have started our lesson on the fourth unit, Films and Theatre. Already we have completed 3 classes. Now we are coming to the last class, the fourth class. Already you might have seen the PDF of this lesson. Here you can see the friends, 2 friends, how their friendship has been finished by the end of one person, that is Satyajit Ray. He was there in the hospital while Father Gaston Roberts visited him. At that time, he was told that it was nice. Balole. So what is the meaning of that? It can be 2 meanings. We can say their friendship was very nice or their meeting was very nice. So the friendship entered only when they stopped. One of them left this world. Till that time their friendship lasted. We have seen that their friendship started after the preparation for 9 years. And after that 9 years, what they did is, when they had a preparation, when they had a proper dialogue, after that, what they did is, that friendship cemented, grew, and they became help to each other. And that is the way that we should do anything and everything. Not only friendship, in life also, total preparation is required. Whatever be the quality, whatever be the our career that we wanted, that we have to prepare ourselves well, and then only we should follow it. And that is what is the speciality of NEP 2020. Even though we are in COVID-19 season, all of us are sitting at home, you are given a particular chance. What is the chance? Being ourselves. Be ourselves. We have to know many things. We have to do many things. And we should learn to live with others. And this situation is particularly clear from this lesson. And that's what I would like to speak to you today. Preparation is needed. We have to learn whatever is required for us. Whatever method that is required for us, that we have to follow. And if we are following that, compulsorily we will be successful in life. And you can see in this particular case, what is the outcome of the friendship between Satyajit Ray and also between Father Gaston Roberts. As he was so interested, Father Gaston Roberts started the Film Institute Chitrabani, and Satyajit Ray helped him by his fame, that he had the fame of being a very great colossus in the field of film in Bengali film. So what happened? He became a member, he became an honorable chairman, and he became an advisory member. What is the benefit of it? The benefit was that the starting point of that particular Chitrabani made the local talents to grow up. That local talents of Bengali film has made the Bengali film world famous. And he is telling he got the funding for this Chitrabani from Canada. So he applied for the Canadian agency. That's what he is telling. And he is telling one more thing, that I was not hesitant to apply for the help from the European developed countries or the Canadian developed country, because the rich spiritual heritage of India is to be known to the world. That's what we the Indians, we people should develop that idea of Indian spirituality. You just think about the books that were created in India, the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, in that the Gitanjali, the Bhagavad Gita, all these books were created by Indians only. And now what I say, this is not happening. We don't think properly. We don't want to do something for the world. If you just go through, we can see that a lot of Indians are at the height of the world, hem of the world. And here you might have heard, almost all the big companies of the world are guided by the CEOs of those companies are Indians. We are able people. The NEP 2020 is just telling us, be yourself, whatever you want, do it. And the educational system itself is changed. The system, you might have heard about it, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 and PhD. So that is a system that is created now. Maybe I don't know when it is going to be implemented, but if it is implemented, by 12th class you will be learning something of what you call the one skill you will be learning. You can live with that. You can find out, you can explore, you can go beyond, you can give something to the world. That's what I would like to say. So you can just this example of Father Gaston Roberts and of Satyajit Ray is telling us how we should work for the people of our country. First, individual development should happen, then the family should be developed, then the society should be developed, then the country should be benefited from our intelligence, our hard work, the skill that we are learning. Whatever be your skill, develop it. Whatever you want to become it. And it is possible by only you. You can do that. And that's what he is telling. What is required? Preparation is required. What is required? Dialogue is required. Whatever knowledge is required, whatever is necessary that you can do it and become some great people like. So, at home, everyone is at home. We are not able to attend the physical classes, but it should not restrict us. We should live a life of ours. And in the new educational system, if you want to select maths and cricket, it's possible. If you want to select English and films, it's possible. Whatever you want to become, that you can become. That is the benefit of the new educational policy. And this lesson is supporting with the help of two friends, that is Satyajit Ray and Gaston Roberts.